never asked Mom about what she used to do. What did you talk about when you met? Like, did you just say, "Woman, go out of the house. I will go to catch fish in the river," and then leave for 5 days?
No. Your mother was far better at fishing than I.
This is too funny. You're
Did you
saying a
see that
woman
over there?
guard the house.
This barrel.
Oh, I didn't know there was a barrel. I totally missed that one.
You missed.
I was trying to avoid it. That's exactly what I was trying to do. That sounds believable.
I mean, they're loot barrels, so that doesn't seem to track with your character.
Yeah, that's also true. There you go.